Flashwords English.
60 flowers name in English. Rose, tulip, lily, daisy, sunflower, orchid, jasmine, lavender, marigold, daffodil, hibiscus, violet, poppy, peony, iris, carnation, chrysanthemum, geranium, magnolia, gardenia, camellia, aster, zinnia, dahlia, snapdragon, anemone, freesia, gladiolus, begonia, lotus, hydrangea, forget-me-not, bluebell, amaryllis, petunia, cosmos, foxglove, buttercup, morning glory, sweet pea, pansy, lilac, azalea, calla lily, bleeding heart, bird of paradise, coneflower, yarrow, passion flower, scabiosa, calendula, verbena, coreopsis, baby's breath, tuberose, statice, lantana, hellebore, protea, clematis.